So you know what, first up I'm going to do the Delta. I'm going to see if I can get a little brave with it. It's been a little bit since I've flown it. I'm going to stick 1,000 on there and see what she can do. Take the landing gear off. The landing gear apparently I bent up a little bit on the last go around. So let's see. CG's good. Let's get a rubber band around that battery because I do not want to lose a battery. See if we can't, you know, do something different here. Learn something maybe. All right, so I got the Delta pulled up. We're going to pop her in. Always check your throws first. Looks good to me. All right, she's pulling in the right direction. Wind's coming from there-ish. Flies really good. I like the Delta. Delta is fun. I mean, it's one piece of foam board. Pretty easy. Easy to completely replace, easy to fix. It's flat, it's got the KF step on it. That was a little bit of a hard landing. Let's see what we did. Doesn't appear we did anything. Now I realized I did something pretty bad. I did not check our battery. Rookie mistake. Let's see. $11.7, not bad. She's been worse. What do you guys think? Flyer, nutball, flyer. Let's get the nutball in the air. All right, now if I recall correctly, the nutball likes to be like there. Yeah, it's funny. You get to know your airframes pretty well. Check our control surfaces. Left, right, up, down. Good to go, my friend. Wind is now pretty heavy. All right, there was an example of just letting off with a nut ball if you completely lose orientation. Okay, battery looks okay. Motor caught it on the nose a little bit. Shucks, she looks good. No white marks on there. Airframe looks a little yucky. Now she's behaving. All right, starting to feel some rain. Tell you what, that prop does not stop. Tell you what, it's getting really dark over there. And there's thunder. So, I think this is where we're gonna call it quits, everybody. Look at that, it's windy enough to get my prop going. I wonder if it's back charging my battery.